Hi Zoe,
Yeah?
could you please tell us when the carbide burst needs to be replaced?
Okay, as to when to replace the carbide rotary valves, there are some tips to follow up. The first one is the tooth wear degree. Observe the blade teeth carefully. If you find all blades sharpness loose, chip, or cracks, you need to replace it. The second one, the cutting effect getting worse. If you find the surface roughness of the workpiece increases, that means you need to replace it. The third one is increase the processing time. As the two wells, the same machining will take a longer time. Then you need to replace it. Okay. The fourth, vibration or abnormal noise occurs. If abnormal vibration or noise occurs, it means the tool is worn out. Then you need to replace it. The fifth, periodic inspection. A comprehensive inspection of the tool regularly is recommended during use, such as you can check it 3 or 5 hours during use. Take one time. Yeah,
Okay.
that's all about it.
Okay, thank you. Do you think this information are helpful to you? If you have any thoughts, comment in the comment area below.